Dilli dreams of a better Earth environment and a more beautiful tomorrow. We are investing all of our efforts in the development of eco-friendly digital printers. Dilli. Dilli was established in 1996 and has developed and sold digital UV printers in 2002 for the third time in the world. With creative technology and innovative service, Dilli has obtained engineering certificates like ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 in 2004, and acquired CE and FCC certifications in 2005 through the development of new items and new technologies. Based on a steady growth in sales and a stable credit rating in the market, Dilli was listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange in 2011. Through globally connected sales and service networks, Dilli's digital printers are achieving sales record in more than 40 countries throughout the world. Dilli is growing into a renowned global brand with quality and technological competence acknowledged by renowned printer experts, along with a line of differentiated products and services that are reaching out and touching the customers. Dilli's representative brand of eco-friendly, high-resolution products makes up three types of Neo Titans. The hybrid type is a piece of equipment where flatbed system for rigid media printing is integrated with roll-to-roll system for roll media printing through a conveyor belt feeding system. The true flatbed or flat plate type of equipment is a printing unit dedicated to rigid media and used not only for signage but also other diversified applications. The roll-to-roll type is a high-speed printing unit dedicated to roll media by providing high-speed printing at 150 square meters per hour on all kinds of roll media with photorealistic printing quality at a resolution of 1440 dpi. A brand equipped with all such type printers and available globally only from Dilli, providing customers with a one-stop shop experience for the three types of Neo Titan, most suited to their individual businesses. In addition, there are the next generation of products, such as Neo Jupiter, bringing to the industry high-precision PCB marking printing, along with Neo Mercury, capable of variable data processing and printing out diverse labels, has also been developed. Based on accumulated technological expertise and know-how, Dilli has continuously strived to increase research and development to continue to develop new applications for digital printers, as well as to overcome the current limitations in printout speeds and print qualities, and to endeavor to reach an even higher level of quality. Dilli is maximizing the synergy effect through growing cooperative networks with subcontractors as well as domestic and foreign research institutions, along with Dilli's own technology development capabilities. With our passion and pride, coupled with determination to produce the best digital printers, we are committed to develop Dilli's product line today and into tomorrow. We are here to co-create a world where humans, nature, and technology all join and move seamlessly together to make the coming times prosperous. A global brand and a leader in the eco-friendly digital printer industry, Dilli will be helping create a brighter future. A global leader of digital printers, Dilli.